Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 VW Tiguan Allspace SEL. This car comes with the 1.5 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 148 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 36 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 17 and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 46,000 miles and comes with full service history from Volkswagen. This particular colour is called the Blue Silk and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you have the nice clean interior. The seats there are really comfy and supportive. There's a big armrest and two cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your large multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple CarPlay, DAB radio and Bluetooth for your phone. A few other features I can mention on the SEL. You also have heated front seats, active cruise control, which is on the left hand side of the steering wheel, the virtual cockpit display, climate control, automatic headlights and wipers, and on the driver's door card there you then have your electric folding mirrors and full window controls, and that switch down there is to also operate the electric tailgate. And on the SEL you also then have the full length glass roof as well. The Allspace is a popular car for the family, so nice wide door opening at the back, lots of legroom and headroom there on the middle bench. The rear bench also has three individual seat belts, as well as the fold-away picnic tables. The air vents there can be controlled individually as well for the temperature, and you also have the charging port and the 12-volt socket. As I mentioned, the tailgate's electric, so when that opens up automatically, you've then got the really good sized boot there. Your third row of seats there, the two rear seats are neatly folded away, but they can also easily be raised just by pulling the toggle. So they're nice and practical there. And then cleverly underneath the boot floor, we've also then got storage for a parcel shelf. And this car also, if you can just see there, also comes with a spare wheel, which I believe was a factory option there. So the first owner paid extra for that. Externally, the car comes with LED headlights, the 19-inch alloy wheels, and also then front and rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.